Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lisa if you're new around here, and today's video is actually going to be a favourites video, but a lot of these items can also double up as a Christmas gift as well. It's kind of like a Christmas gift ideas slash favourites video because these items I've been absolutely loving recently. I'm going to start it sitting here and then I'm going to go around the house to show you some other items as well, but whilst I'm here I've got a few bits right in front of me, so I'm going to show you what I've been loving right now. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, in the UK we are in our second kind of lockdown at the moment. Now in the first lockdown we had a couple of birthdays, and to make that a little bit more special around our house we did like a little birthday party at home. To make the birthday party a little bit more fun, we got a disco ball. Now this is not like a disco ball, it's a disco light, but it's really, really small. However, it's so good. It's really great for like little games night, parties and things like that. Makes it a little bit more special for the kids, and it's great. Considering it's so compact and so small, it really creates a really cool lighting effect in your house. So I just thought I would give that a little mention because I bought this off of Amazon when it was Renzo's birthday and we had a little like dining room party, and it was just so good, and we use it all the time now, even when we have like games night or movie nights and things like that. So this is from, I don't know what the brand is called, there's no branding on this. What I'll do is I'll link one down below for you or try and find one similar if I can't find this one, but I just thought that was a really great little idea, especially if you're at home during lockdown at the moment, or if you want to make birthdays and parties a little bit more special as a family. I thought that would be a really good idea. Now, sticking with like the kind of birthday or party kind of theme, obviously Christmas is coming up as well. This is another great item. Now this is a, what's it called? The Ultimate Ears speaker. We've had quite a lot of like Bluetooth speakers in the past, but this is definitely the loudest one that we've had. Not that we put our music up really loud. I think Mark would probably put it up really loud if he could, but my ears are really sensitive, so I don't like it too loud. But this is great, really good sound quality, and it's nice and compact again. It'll be a great gift idea for children or adults as well. Anyone that's into kind of music, podcasts, anything like that, you can listen to it on here, and I just love it. It's very small, compact. You can kind of hang it up even in like the shower or the bathroom when you're having a shower. So yeah, I thought that was a really great one. This, I believe, like from John Lewis, is around $59.99, but it is really great sound quality and we love it. So I thought I'd give that a little mention because we've used that again for our little home parties, which is so cute. I'm gonna move on to, what should I move on to now? Oh, let me show you these little bits actually. The other day I did a little DIY in the kitchen. I've got it here right in front of me for a centerpiece. Now I haven't got all of our Christmas decorations out yet. However, I think we will probably put them up very soon. Everyone's putting them up now and I'm just like, let's put them up soon. So to make myself feel a little bit more festive, I made these little jars, these kind of little festive scenes, and I just thought it was so pretty. I saw something very similar last year and I didn't have time to kind of create them. It was so close to Christmas, I just didn't have time in the end. So I remembered the idea and I created them this year. So I'm really pleased with them. I basically ordered the little snow from Amazon, the little polar bears in there and the trees. And then I used this IKEA jar that I've had it for ages, so I use it for all sorts of different items. Oh my god, my polar bears have fallen over in there. Let me sort them out, hold on. Oh my god. I bet the boys have been at it already, playing with them. There we go, they're all standing up now. So yeah, I've got my little polar bears in there, and then I've also got this one here, a slightly larger one. So you don't have to use a jar, you could use a clear vase, which is a clear vase I've got here. Mark got me this from Dunelm for my birthday, and I've got some larger trees in there as well. So yeah, those are super quick and easy to make, and I thought that'd be a great idea if you want to do some arts and crafts with the kids at Christmas time. They could create their own Christmas scene, and you could use those kind of like little round plastic fishbowl kind of containers if you want to do it with the kids, because obviously it's a bit safer with the plastic, but I thought these were beautiful, and you could do all sorts of different scenes. All you need to do is search for like little miniature ornaments, like Christmas ornaments. You could even use Christmas decorations. The snow, I used one bag of like 140 grams of the fake snow, and yeah, really fun and simple idea, so easy to do. Whilst I'm here as well, I'll talk about some beauty items because there's not like a huge amount I've been loving. However, I'm nearly run out of this now, and I get asked quite a lot actually what perfume I use, and I kind of stick to Jimmy Choo. I really love. What's the other one I really like? There's Jimmy Choo and there's another one, I can't remember the brand now, but this one here I've been using since I got it. I was sent this, it's called Nova, Angel Nova, and it's just amazing. And do you know why I wear it all the time? Because Mark compliments me every time I use this, and it's so nice. I It's kind of, it's not that kind of typical scent that Angel has. Let me find the notes of it so I can talk you through it. It's just so nice. I love it. It's kind of got like a floral and a sweet smell to it as well. Yeah, it says a fruity floral and a woody eau de parfum, which opens with an overdose of raspberry combined with notes of lychee for a fruity addiction, flowers and unique rose. Now I don't think it's very rosy. I don't really like the rose scent that much. It is a very feminine perfume, but it's not like overly sweet, like that sickly sweet smell, and it's not overpoweringly floral. It's kind of a mashup of the two, and I just love it. Very feminine, very beautiful fragrance. So if you're looking for a gift for yourself for Christmas or for somebody else, then I would definitely try this one. It's very beautiful, and the packaging is gorgeous as well, so I love that one. Onto some makeup items. I've just got a couple of bits actually. Only one makeup item and then another kind of skincare tanning product. I am absolutely loving this. This is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder for under the eyes in number 1. So I don't know if they've got different colours or shades. I'm wearing it under the eyes today, and it definitely brightens up under the eye. I just love it so much. It's really finely milled, literally bright white powder, and I will use it with a beauty blender, just dabbing it onto my eyes once I've used my concealer, and it's so good. Even when I use a concealer that I feel maybe isn't as brightening as I would like, as soon as I set it with this, it just instantly brightens up under the eyes. So I would highly recommend that if you're looking for an under eye setting powder. I mean, I definitely have like wrinkles and lines under my eyes, but it definitely doesn't accentuate that in any way, and it's not heavy under the eyes, so I would highly recommend that one. Now when it comes to fake tan, I obviously tan my face all the time. I definitely use more so Saint-Tropez than this brand. However, I have been using this, and this is the Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum, the gradual one. This is really nice. Now this is self tan serum, but it does really feel like a water when you put it onto your face. It just glides onto your skin, sinks in almost instantly, and it will give you a gradual glow. It's not as dark, I wouldn't say, as my Saint-Tropez one. You need to use this for a couple of days to kind of get the effect. I guess with the Saint-Tropez one that I use, the Purity Gel, is the Purity Serum actually. That one kind of gives me a little bit more colour, I would say, in one day. This one, I think I need to use it for 2 days, and then I've got the colour I want, but I really love the formula of this. And basically you just need to apply 4 to 12 drops directly to the skin. Now I don't really like look at the drops. I will fill the pipette like that much, and then I will put that onto my skin, and I'll also like bring it down my neck as well. This is only a little tiny sample size, but I love it, and I think I will definitely actually buy another one. How many mils have I got here? I've got a 10 mil here. A 30 mil is £35, but I think it would last you quite well. I mean, I've got through half of this 5 mil, and I've been using it for weeks now. So it says here, this innovative anti-aging serum provides SPF 30 photo stable protection from UVA and UVB rays while shielding from the damaging effects of blue light pollution and photo aging. Lightweight and non-greasy, the formula is boosted with super hyaluronic acid, providing all-day hydration and delivering dewier, plumper looking skin. Now I can definitely say it definitely makes my skin feel really like plumped. It's gorgeous, very good product. And yeah, I'm definitely going to buy some more of this once I run out. So those are my kind of 2 beauty product favorites. I'm also going to mention this. It's a little bit dirty, sorry about that. This is my beauty blender, and this past week actually, I haven't even been using it that long again, but every time I go back to a beauty blender, I'm like, why do I not use this every day? Because it makes my makeup look flawless. I've got my, what foundation have I got on today? I've got the MAC Studio Fix Fluid today. I actually repurchased this because I used to use it all the time back in the day, and I really wanted to get like a full cover foundation, medium to full cover foundation that I knew would always work well with my skin, and that one does. And I applied it with this, and oh my god, it just, you don't need to use much product. It just spreads evenly. It doesn't make your skin feel like you've got loads and loads of product on. I've also been using it for my face powder. So I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I've actually used the honey shade today, and I use this one for under the eyes, and I use the beauty blender to apply it as well as my foundation, and it's just so good. I love it. If you've got a beauty blender, or if you haven't tried one before, you need to damp it under the tap before you use it. Squeeze all of the water out, and then it will just like expand, and then you literally just bounce it onto your face, and it will just create the most flawless finish for your makeup. So that has been a little essential in my makeup bag. I must buy some more because that is great, and it makes my makeup look good. I think it looks good. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And that's it that I've got here. Let me go over there, and I'm going to show you another item that I've been loving. Okay, so this is my new milk frother. I have been loving this. Now I watch a lot of Amazon favorite videos online, and this was featured in one of the videos. And oh my god guys, this is fantastic, super easy to use. Now I got this one, it was about £40. There are loads of other ones online that are a lot cheaper. You can heat up the milk, you can also do it cold, so you can like make a milkshake or something like that, or you can heat it up and put it in your coffees, and it's just so good. So I thought I would definitely give that a mention. It's a great gift idea for any coffee lover out there. I'm actually going to buy one for my mum. I've already told her, so it's not going to be a spoiler for her. I'm definitely buying my mum one of these for Christmas. She loves her coffees, and so do I. I'm also really loving these glasses. This is like a double walled glass. I bought 2 of these back in, I don't know, about a year ago probably, from TK Maxx. They sell these on Amazon. They sell them in a lot of places actually, and it keeps your coffee hot. So I love that. A tea or coffee, whatever you want to drink in there. So good. Again, it makes your coffee look a little bit more, I don't know, fancy I guess, and it does actually do the job of keeping it warmer. And you know what it's like when you're a mum, you literally are constantly coming back to a cold tea or coffee because you've always been sidetracked doing something else. Now if you get one of these, you're always going to have a warm cup of tea or coffee. And again, a great gift idea for Christmas if you've got another coffee lover or any like drinks, and then you can keep your cold drinks in this as well. So yeah, great little gift idea there. Right, now this next one, oh my god. Now I was actually working with Dreamland on this, so just for transparency, this is not paid for, but I have done an ad on Instagram. But I had to mention it because I've used it non-stop since we got it, and it's this heated blanket. It's a heated blanket, guys, and oh my god, I did think that getting a faux fur kind of blanket that it would be like fluff everywhere, like fluff central. Like I love the look of a faux fur blanket, but I do hate it when there's fluff everywhere, especially when you're wearing black and stuff. So I was a little bit apprehensive about it, but I thought, because I was going to go for the more fleecy one that they do, because they do like a fleecy chenille-y kind of one. But I was like, oh no, but I just love the look of this one. This is the Alaskan Husky, I think, which they're getting back in stock soon. But it's also got the kind of more fleecy inner part. So you literally just turn it on with this. It's already like plugged in at the minute, you can see. I just keep it plugged in and then throw it over the sofa here. And you can put it on for like 1, 3 or 9 hours. It's got 6 different heat settings. And it's just easy. It literally warms up in under a minute. You can already feel the heat in there, and it's just so lovely, really beautiful. It's big enough to get like 2, 3 people under it. Like, it's big, it's like a big blanket. I always sit on the sofa, we're watching movies and stuff with the boys, and friends and video always come over to me and they're like, oh, can we sit under the blanket? It's so cute, very snuggly, and again, a really lovely gift for anyone really. Like elderly people would love it, just to keep them lovely and warm. Anyone that loves to be cozy, which is everyone, isn't it really? So definitely check them out. Again, it's not sponsored, but I would highly recommend them. I've got a discount code, it's Liza15. I'm not sure if it's still working, but if you do go and purchase one, pop the code in, see if it works, because 15% off would be great as well. So yeah, I absolutely, I just love this blanket so much, and it's so gorgeous for Christmas. Okay, next I wanted to talk about a favourite for Orlando, and it is this First 100 Words book. I ordered this off Amazon actually thinking it was one of those like more of a hand-sized book, you know, like a smaller one. Ended up arriving and it's absolutely huge. However, Orlando really likes it. He loves looking through the book and talking about all of the different items that he sees in here. He always recognises the cars, the shoes and things like that. But it's just a great way to kind of start teaching him his first words and colours and things like that. I just thought I would mention it because, again, I thought it would be a nice Christmas gift idea for any 1-year-old or 2-year-old. Very sturdy as well. This has been thrown around quite a lot by Orlando. But yeah, I like how vibrant it is. And again, actually I'm quite happy that it's a bigger book because he kind of gets to really take in all of the images on there, and they're really detailed as well, so I like that. And then the last gift idea or favourite that I wanted to mention, so if you have a Nintendo Switch or you're thinking about getting your child a Nintendo Switch, this is the game you need, and it's called 51 Worldwide Games. The boys have been playing this for a few weeks now, probably a month actually, and it is so good. It's got 51 classic games on there. You've got bowling, you've got darts, you've got chess, you've got golf, football. It literally goes on and on and on. There's 51 games, so there's a lot of them. Old classic games, you've even got like Connect 4 on there and things like that. And I would just highly recommend it because it's a really great game for the whole family. So if you're looking for a game to buy for your Nintendo Switch, and definitely buy that one, it would be a great Christmas Day game because everyone can play it. Boys have been playing it non-stop. They absolutely love it. They do fishing on there as well, and yeah, I like it as well. And I'm not really like a gamer these days. I used to love gaming when I was younger, but I don't really play the games anymore with the kids as much. This one though I love because it's just quick little games, and you can have like a games night, play all these different games, and it's really, really fun. So if you're at home at the moment, which a lot of us are, then I would definitely recommend that one, because it's just a nice thing to kind of escape and just have a little bit of fun for a little while. So yeah, those are all of my favourites, I think. My hair is looking weird today. I look really crazy today. I've got this jumper on. I bought this from H&M the other day. It's kind of like a bit too chunky, you know, when you just feel it's like a little bit much. And this neckline is just, it restricts me. I can't like do anything. I feel like I can't put my head down. So I end up rolling it like this. But then that looks silly as well, doesn't it? So anyway, those are all of my favourites at the moment. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit of a rambly one, wasn't it? But I just fancy talking about things that I've been loving recently. And again, I thought a lot of them would double up as gift ideas as well. So if you are thinking of gift ideas, then these are all of my recommendations at the moment. Things that I've been loving, things that I think that your family members might love as well. So yeah, I'll try and link as much as I can down below for you in the description box. Talking of gift ideas, I actually haven't done any Christmas shopping yet. I bought about 3 or 4 items. That's about it. So I really need to get my butt into gear. But yeah, I kind of wasn't expecting not being able to go to the shop. So I'm gonna have a little look online. If you've got any of your favorite like small business shops that you would recommend, please list them down below for me, because I would love to find them, and I know a lot of you would like to discover them as well. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We are so close to 90,000 now. I can't believe it. So thank you so much, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye, guys.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.